our task today, how do we divide decimals? So let's say I have, I don't know, 365 divided by, let's do 5. Right, so I'm going to take whatever number I'm dividing by, and I'm going to put that on the outside of my division bracket, which means my other number I'm going to have to put on the inside. I'm going to go through piece by piece by piece. So we're actually going to do 2 examples on how to divide. So I look and I go, okay, how many times does 5 fit into 3? Which means, can I make equal groups of 5 of this number? I can't, right? If I have 3 fingers, I can't make an equal group of 5. All right, so I go to the next place saying, okay, 5 doesn't fit into 3. How many times does 5 fit into 36? Oh, 7 times. Because 7 times 5. Next time multiply. 7 times 5 is 35. I subtract the 2 numbers. 36 minus 35 gives me 1. Now you might be thinking, whoa, haven't used this 5 yet. Not yet, because I'm dropping it down. Boop. Now I think, okay, how many times does 5 fit into 15? Which means if I have 15 sandwiches, how many groups of 5 can I make, or how many sandwiches per each group? Oh, 3. So I put a 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Boom. I've got a remainder of 0, which is awesome, which means 365 divided by 5 is 73. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. Let's do 179 divided by 4. I don't know if that'll work. Let's see. So I take the number on the second number, right? And you might see divided like this or like this. And I'm going to put on the outside. On the inside, I put 179. Woo! How many times does 4 go into 1? Which means if I have 1, can I make a group of 4? No, I can't. Boom. How many times does 4 go into 17? 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. Boom. I get 1. Drop down the 9. How many times does 4 go into 19? 4. Oh, yeah. 4 again. 4 times 4 is 16, which means here I have a leftover piece of 3. So it goes into it 44 times with 3 out of 4 as my remainder. All right, and that's how you divide. Let's do one last one. One last one. I'll wait that time. If you feel good, you can stop. Otherwise, it might be fun to watch it. So let's do a big number. Let's do 1,000. No, let's do 3,634. I'm just setting it up like this, and let's divide by, I don't know, 7. Does 7 go into 3? No, I can't divide 3 things into 7 equal groups. But we know 7 does go into 36. Oh, it goes into it 5 times. So I put the 5 above here because it's 36. 7 times 5 is 35. Boom, subtract. I get 1. Drop down the 3. How many times does 7 go into 13? Just once. So I put a 1. You guys think we're multiplying? 1 times 7 is 7. Subtract. 13 minus 7 is 6. Drop down the 4. My last number, how many times does 7 go into 64? Well, I know 7 times 9 is 63. So it goes into it 9 times 63. So a remainder of 1. Boom, which means 3,634 almost perfectly goes into it 519 times. Check. That's how we divide.